Imagine a place where gravity is so powerful, not even light can escape. Picture the silence, so profound it feels tangible. The weight of an invisible force drawing you closer, as if the universe itself were holding its breath. A point in space where the very fabric of reality bends and warps, pulling everything, matter, energy, even time itself, into its unfathomable depths. This is a black hole, nature's ultimate enigma, and one of the most thrilling mysteries of our universe. At its heart lies a singularity, a point of infinite density, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can return. To cross it is to vanish from the observable universe forever. Black holes form from the remnants of massive stars. When a star exhausts its fuel, it collapses under the weight of its own gravity. For the most massive stars, this collapse doesn't stop. It continues until a black hole is born, hidden in the darkness of space. But black holes are far from empty voids. They are cosmic engines of destruction and creation. Their immense gravitational pull can tear stars apart, devouring them in a cataclysmic blaze of light. Yet, they also sculpt galaxies, anchoring their spirals with a silent, invisible force. The largest black holes, supermassive black holes, sit at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole millions of times the mass of our Sun, lies 26,000 light-years away, cloaked in darkness, yet shaping the stars that orbit around it. Despite their name, black holes aren't entirely invisible. When matter spirals into them, it heats up to millions of degrees, creating an accretion disk that shines brightly in X-rays. It's through these emissions that we've begun to map their presence. And then there are gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time itself. When black holes collide, they unleash a burst of these waves, echoing across the cosmos. These faint tremors, detected by instruments on Earth, tell us of cosmic dances billions of light-years away. Yet, for all we know, black holes remain nearly a complete mystery. What happens to the information that falls into them? Do they connect to other parts of the universe? Are they the seeds of new worlds? These are questions scientists are still grappling with. Black holes are a paradox, agents of destruction that might hold the key to understanding the cosmos itself. They remind us of how small we are, yet how limitless our curiosity can be. In their darkness lies a light, the thrill of discovery, the promise of the unknown.